Okay, students, come to the next question. Which of the following resonating structure of 1-methoxy 1,3-butadiene is least stable? 1-methoxy 1,3-butadiene is least stable. For calculating stability of resonating structure, rule number first is related to neutral structure. This rule states that neutral structure is more stable than charged structure. Rule 2, which is related to complete octet. This rule states that resonating structure in which all atoms has complete octet is more stable than other resonating structure in which other atoms has incomplete octet. Rule 3rd. Rule 3rd. This rule is related to negative charge on more electronegative atom and positive charge on less electronegative atom is stable. This rule states that negative charge on more electronegative atom and positive charge on less electronegative atom is more stable than comparatively to another structures. Rule 4. Two like charges can't remain on adjacent atom. This rule is related to two same charges, two identical charges, whether it will be positive charges or negative charges, cannot remain on adjacent position because two same charges on adjacent position create a repulsion. By this rule, we can determine the answer of this question. In first structure CH2 minus CH double bond CH CHO plus CH3, if we check this option A, all atoms has a complete octet. C has negative charge, complete octet, and this O atom has positive charge, but by this 3 bonds, double bond and single bond, and 1 lone pair, you can calculate total number of electrons on oxygen atom, single bond, double bond and lone pair have complete octet. So in option A, all atoms has complete octet. If we examine our next option, option B, CH2 double bond CH, CH minus CH double bond O. If we see these two structure, all atoms has complete octet. Only position of charges is different. Here positive and negative charges are far apart, while in option B, this is some closer to each other. In option C, this carbon atom is electron deficient. If we check our D option, CH2 double bond CH, CH plus CH minus OCH3. Oxygen atom has lone pair of electrons and adjacent carbon atom has negative charge. Negative charge means availability of electrons. Electrons and electrons on adjacent position cannot remain because this create repulsion, and by this repulsion this structure will be highly unstable. This structure will be highly unstable. Two structure A and B is completely stable because all atoms has complete octet. In C and D, in C carbon is electron deficient and D carbon is electron deficient. But in D option, these lone pair and negative charges are close to each other and they create repulsion. And by this repulsion, this structure is highly unstable, or we can say least stable among given these four structure. So option D will be our correct answer. Okay students, we come to the next question. First I am reading the question. Which of the following are not resonating structure of each other? In option A, if we see, this is acetone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. And if we see this, CH3, COH double bond CH2. In this case, if we see, there is migration of H atom takes place. If we know the correct condition of resonating structure, in resonating structure, only migration of electrons takes place. Only migration of electrons takes place. Atoms don't migrate. Atom don't migrate. If we see option A, acetone CH3 CO CH3 and next CH3 COH CH2. In this structure, migration of H atom takes place on CH3 to O. So option A is the correct answer. Question is, which of the following are not resonating structure of each other? So these two are not resonating structure of each other. If we examine our other three option is this: oxygen atom has lone pair, migrate this double bond, and this is this. If we see our C, then CH3 COH CH3, here CH3 C plus CH3 OH. Oxygen atom has positive charge, so electron migration takes place as this. Next we see if D option, oxygen atom has lone pair, so the type of conjugation is lone pair. This double bond is treated as single and finally double bond. So the lone pair migration takes place as this. CH2 minus C triple bond O plus. In resonating structure, only migration of electrons takes place. Atom don't migrate from its original position to another atom. So correct option is option A. Option A will be our correct answer.